morning, everyone. My name is Albert Fox-Khan. I'm the Executive Director of the Surveillance Technology Oversight Project. And I'm here today with my colleagues and co-counsel because we're taking the NYPD to court. For years, for decades, the NYPD has systematically violated the law, ignoring their responsibility under New York's Freedom of Information law to timely produce the documents that New Yorkers request. This isn't something that's nice for them to do. This isn't something they should do. This is the law, and they have violated it over and over and over again. And we're here because of 10 requests that they ignored, but we're here also because of more than 40,000 requests in recent years that we identified that the NYPD systematically delayed. And as we are going to show in the hearing today, delaying these requests is no different than denying New Yorkers effective transparency. We're hoping that we're successful, we'll not only get the documents we requested here, but that we're going to get a special monitor, a court official who can hold the NYPD accountable going forward, and to make sure that every single New Yorker who wants to access these documents, who wants to use their rights under FOIL, has the ability to get the documents they're entitled to under law. And with that, I'd like to hand it over to my co-counsel, Nicholas Siebert.
Hi, my name is Nick Siebert. I'm a Quinn Emanuel attorney, and today we have an extremely important case for S.T.O.P against the NYPD. Although we've got 10 requests at issue, the 11th claim is really the most important. It's a pattern and practice claim. And under the law, the NYPD is required to provide a request-specific extension if they're going to provide an extension to any request at all. The NYPD just serially does not comply with this provision. And as a result, they are commonly, if not majority of the time, in FOIL non-compliance. And ultimately, that's why we're asking for the court-appointed monitor here today. Because without a court order, nothing will change. As Albert mentioned, it's been going on for years.
The NYPD has more than $11 billion budget. They can comply with the requests that they're getting every day. We know that police departments across the country do better, that agencies across New York do better, that other agencies here in New York City do better with far less money. But the NYPD has put just a handful of officers towards this crucial task, creating a bottleneck that they then use as an excuse to hide the records they don't want to be seen by New Yorkers. That can change, that should change, and with a favorable ruling from the court, that will change for New Yorkers.
I guess the only other thing I wanted to add, this is a huge burden on the court system, a really dangerous burden on the court system. Rather than complying with the law, the NYPD has foisted any burden that it actually has under the statute onto the court system instead. But it's not the court's job to resolve these requests. It's the NYPD's job, and that's why they have to do it.
All right, well, thank you so much, everyone, and we'll be updating you after the hearing.